welcome back to the vlog. I'm Liz, this is my husband Trey, and if you haven't met us, we are lifestyle vloggers. We share our lives through YouTube and social media, and today we're really excited. Maybe because we're going on a cruise in like 24 hours, or maybe because we finally got our hands on something we've been wanting and eyeing for a really long time. Today we're gonna unbox and give you guys a straight out of the box review of the new Nomatic classic carry-on luggage set. So we're huge fans of Nomatic, you guys. We started out with them a couple years ago when they first started their brand and got their backpack off of Kickstarter. So now they're like a huge brand. We love them. Trey travels how often? Probably 3 weeks a month.
Yeah, probably three out of the 4 weeks a month.
Yeah.
And I take this bag everywhere I go, to the office every day. I've had it 2+ years now, almost, maybe even 3 or 4. And it is held up like none other. It's the best bag I've ever had. And it's so comfortable. It's got so many great compartments, but not too much. It's very simple looking. It's amazing.
It's awesome. He travels with like 2 computers in there, iPads, clothes, you name it. But if you want more on the backpack, we can do a tutorial review on that. But today, let's get started on this classic carry-on. Trey's gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna talk about it. So, you guys, a few of the key features that we already know that it has is the 360 wheels, which if your luggage doesn't have that, you need it. It just makes carrying so much easier. It's got the TSA approved lock on it. The packaging is beautiful.
Yeah, when it arrived, it just looks cool. It's like, I got a Samsonite bag before this, and it didn't come in nearly as cool as packaging. So this is really nice.
This is really nice. So
it's got the new polycarbonate case. Below is the actual name of it. I can't even think of the name, but it's a special type of polycarbonate.
Yep.
They actually, in their promotional video, took a sledgehammer to it and knocked it off the roof. It was hilarious.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
So,
okay, you guys, this is fantastic. Like I said, we've never opened this up, so you're getting the excitement.
We waited for, 2 weeks? We got this like 2 weeks ago, and I've been traveling, and we've been getting ready for our vacation, work every day, and so it's been like, we've been itching to just play with it and open it up.
So already, you guys, the buckle system to keep your clothes in, this guard, I mean, is incredible.
Yeah, so the cool thing about this is it can fold. So I believe you just take these out, and it can fold, and you can it's a compression chamber, so you can compress one side or you can compress the whole thing.
Yep.
And the cool thing about this is that the buckles are actually magnetic.
Yeah, I saw that when I
yeah, so basically you just bring them.
Oh, right there. Bam.
Yeah, mine's. I don't think.
Nope.
Mine,
just
is it?
Yep. Pull and then just bam.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh wow.
Just right in there. Bam.
Nice.
Awesome.
And then you can pull that tight. That's cool.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
So anyways, you got different compartments, which is always nice. Different ways to get into your bag. You guys, this can hold probably, for a man, 7 days worth of clothes. For a woman, probably 3 to 5. But it feels like luxury luggage. Like, I won't name brands because I don't know if I can do that, but those top of the line brands, the one that starts with a T, I would say this feels, if not better, 100% just like it. It feels rugged and durable. It feels like if you were to check this, you know, our besties at the airport aren't gonna trash it. Like it's solid.
Yeah, no, it definitely is.
This
it's a lot more solid than. Oh, so that's a multi-stage handle.
Yep, and it's so smooth.
3, maybe 4 stages. I have to double check.
And this is really smooth. It's like
Himamoto handle and wheels.
Is that what it's called?
I think it's called Himamoto. I might be totally botching that, so it'll be right under here.
And then they also sent us a compression packing cube. So you guys...
Yeah, I already have one of those actually for my backpack, and they're incredible.
They're really great. Nice to like organize your clothes, compress it, fit more in there. But you know, if you're looking for luggage, look at the Nomatics. You guys can use a code below, Liz10 for 10% off your purchase. And if you're looking for camera bags, backpacks, dog kits, weekend bags, what else do they have? Computer bags, luggage sets. Nomatic's got it all, you guys. And like I said,
They
Trey.
even have notebooks and like wallets.
You guys, before Trey got the reason we love this brand, we went through numerous backpacks because
probably one a year.
They were just wearing out. From name brands to cheap ones to tech gear, they just didn't work.
Yeah.
And the fact that he's had the same backpack for years, traveling as much as he does, like, we stand behind their brand, their quality, their zippers, everything.
And not just us, like when I'm traveling, I'll spot other people with a Nomatic bag, and we're like, nice bag. And I actually ask people like, hey, what do you think about theirs? And they even said the same thing, like they'll never get another bag. It is the best bag they've ever had. So obviously, time will tell with this one. I have very high hopes that it's going to perform the same way. I will make sure we put it to the test.
Yeah. Well,
with how much I travel and how much we travel just as a family even too.
Yeah.
And we're actually going to take it on the cruise with us.
Oh, and you know what? As a woman, one thing I love about this, it's so light.
Yeah,
so like if I
light.
pack this thing full, I'm going to still be able to like put it up in the bin above because the luggage itself is light.
Well, and it's not going to, and it's like my Samsonite bag, it's not hard, rigid polycarbonate. It's, if you overpack it, it's difficult to get into that bin. This, it's going to be the same size all the time.
And it's perfect size. So make sure you guys check them out. Links below for a discount code. And we hope that you guys enjoyed this. We'll let you know how it holds up on our first trip this week. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.